Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we add our Android screen to a BMW 328 diesel. That's where we put the camera. Customer came all the way from Maryland down in States to our location to get the job done, and we really appreciate to do business with them. This is the factory screen, 8.8 inch screen with the nav, so everything retains. That's a factory mode, and as you can see, it comes with all the features except the camera, obviously. So by going to reverse, the screen shift to backup camera. By going to park, screen goes back to main menu. By touching the screen or menu button, you can go to the aftermarket mode, and you can same as other videos that we made before. Let's say you can go to video, watch video even while you drive, full screen. And also you can go to apps, use Google Maps, use Waze, use any apps that you like. You can do mirror link from your phone. You can use aftermarket navigation if you want. If your car doesn't come with Bluetooth music streaming, you can do Bluetooth music streaming. Dash that it shows, basically read some OBD information like RPM, speed, how much gas left in the car, and the temperature. Anyways, if you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from our website, 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call for an appointment to do the installation for you as well. 905-604-4294. We are located in Toronto, Canada. Thank you and have a great day.